This is Mr. S. We are connecting a class to explain about the MS Office. It is the introduction. So first, we are going to say about the MS Office. See, in the screen, you are able to see that there is the logo of the MS Office, which you can clearly see it, and the introduction. MS Office is one of the widely used thing, and today's growing world as well as the competitive world. MS Office was developed and obtained by the Microsoft organization. It consists of the several things like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Teams, and various things, etc. So MS Office is a collection of the programs which has several things to perform several operations or tasks. So as I said earlier, it consists of the Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So in all those things, we'll be having every program for every task to perform, because a program is a software is said to be the collection of the programs. See, for example, here we are having the option of the news live. So in this, while clicking, there will be written program in the background and it will be running. So we can only see that what's happening. So an MS Office consists of the Windows operating system. See, the Windows operating system is one of the compatible and most most used by the today's people, as it consists of the several icons. So when compared to CLI, it is very easy and it is very good to explain and very good to usage. So the Windows OS was also developed by the Microsoft organization. So now we are coming to the MS Word. You can also see it as Microsoft Word. It is one of the widely used processing system for software design for the creation, editing, formatting, saving, and printing text-based documents. It can be used for spell and grammar checks, perform macros, letter writing, pamphlet creation, document creation, multimedia integration, professional formatting. See, in MS Word, we can create a document. The document referred to as the page, the home page, which will be consisting of space. So that a white paper thing is called as a document. So there we can write the data, which may be off. We can also create the letters. We can also create the tables. So in the schooling, we used to have the periods of the class, the first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, etc. They will be writing the timetables and all the things. So next we are coming to the Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel can also be said as MS Excel. So it is a powerful spreadsheet application used to organize, analyze, calculate and visualize data using a grid of rows and columns. Excel is said to be as the thing which consists of the rows and columns. It is also said as a spreadsheet. It can be used to visualize the data of grid format in rows and columns. It is used in data organization, data organizing, storage, budgeting, etc. In MS Excel, we can perform various types of operations like statistical operations, mathematical operations, and still there are many more. So, task in the MS Excel, it is having 10,48,526 rows and it is having 16,384 columns. So the data is stored in the format of the rows and columns. As we said earlier, MS Excel can also be used for the creation of the charts based upon the given data. Also, we can store the data. The data may be of any format. Mostly we use the mathematical format. Through using of number format, which is also known as the mathematical format, we can perform the mathematical operations. So some of the mathematical operations are the sum, average, total, etc. Still many more. And next we are coming to the Microsoft PowerPoint, MS PowerPoint. So it is also said to be as a PPT. It is largely presentation software which is mostly used for presentations. So in many offices and in the schools, as per the growing technology, we are using the AV rooms. So there will be a AV room or a thing just like a theater. If we go to a theater, there will be a huge screen which will be having on the white cloth or something. So on that, with the help of the projector, we can project the thing. And the people who are sitting there, the people who are there, they can easily see that and they can understand. So it is a combination of text, images, video, audio and charts. Through using of MS PowerPoint, you can create the various charts. The charts or the things are depend upon the given data. Through that only we can create the charts. There are types of charts like bar chart, pie chart, histogram, still etc. In also in the bar chart, there are several types like stacked bar, horizontal bar, vertical bar. So it is used for the professionals, for the educational as creative purposes, as we said earlier. So in education, it is very used. So as in every kind of the syllabus like SSC, CBSE, ICSE, etc., etc. So there are the common things of computer. As in today's growing world, the computer plays a key role for all of us for understanding. The computer has become one of the educational thing. So as when it comes to the after that plus two, after the completion of intermediate, most of the students are taking the BTech. So the BTech consists of the various things like mechanical, civil, CSC, electronics, etc. So the mostly students are taking of CSC, computer science and engineering, as you said earlier. And the next we're going to the Microsoft Teams. The Microsoft Teams, it is a comprehensive AI-powered digital workspace used for real-time collaborations. It supports video conferencing, instant messages, file sharing, etc. It is mostly used with software professionals. So as we are stating here, mostly used with the software professionals. So the software professionals, they are the people who often do the work with the help of the computer. So the Microsoft Teams can be used for the meetings, collaborations, which may also support the audio and video conferencing, as we said earlier. And here we are going to show about the logos. So it is the first logo of the MS Office, and here we are going to show about the logo of MS Word, which can be helpful for us to understand about. By the help of logos, by the help of images only, we can easily understand about a particular thing, app or website or etc. It's a PowerPoint, it's a Teams. Thank you. That's all for today.